Hello guys, if you are tired of spots on your face caused by pimples and want a flawless skin, then this DIY soap is for you. It's time to say goodbye to spots and hello to glowing skin. Welcome to today's tutorial and thank you so much for coming here. This is shea butter soap base and it's a gentle cleanser which makes the foundation of our soap. Then we have Oats, which are a natural exfoliant that gently buffs away dead skin. And then we have Kaolin clay, known for its gentle cleansing properties. Also we have vitamin E oil, which is an antioxidant. Oats are a natural exfoliant that gently buffs away dead skin cells, unclogging pores and reducing the appearance of spots. They are rich in anti-inflammatory properties. Oats also soothe irritated skin and calm the red spots that you may have due to pimples. And this gives you a very smooth skin. Vitamin E is the antioxidant superhero. Vitamin E fights against the free radicals that cause premature aging and skin damage, promoting skin repair and rejuvenation. It fades spots and scars, giving your skin an even-toned appearance. With vitamin E on your side, you will be shielding your skin from the environmental stressors while enjoying a youthful glow. Kaolin clay absorbs excess oil and impurities from your skin, helping to prevent future breakouts. Its soothing nature makes it perfect for those with sensitive skin, and it works wonders to minimize the appearance of spots. Tea tree oil is a natural antiseptic. When incorporated into the soap, it aids in cleansing the skin, preventing infections, and reducing the occurrence of acne and blemishes. Tea tree oil also helps in pimple control in such a manner that it reduces the redness and swelling associated with breakouts, promoting faster healing and preventing new spots from forming. Tea tree oil also helps in oil balancing, which means it regulates sebum production, making it beneficial for both oily and combination skin types. Also, tea tree oil also helps in soothing irritations. If you are new, please remember to subscribe, and thank you to all the returning subscribers for always coming back. Before trying any DIY skincare products, it's important that you do a patch test to ensure you are not allergic to any of the ingredients. If you experience any irritation or discomfort, you should discontinue the use and maybe consider consulting a dermatologist. Thank you so much guys for sticking with me up to the end, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't for more amazing DIY recipes.